క్వాంటమ్ కంప్యూటరింగ్ ను మనం అందిపుచ్చుకోవాలని సీఎం చంద్రబాబు పిలుపునిచ్చారు. ప్రభుత్వంతో కలిసి వచ్చిన టీసీఎస్, ఐబీఎం, ఎల్ఎన్టీకి ఆయన అభినందనలు తెలియజేశారు. క్వాంటమ్ వ్యాలీపై విజయవాడలోని ఓ హోటల్లో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన వర్క్ షాప్ లో సీఎం చంద్రబాబు మాట్లాడారు.
Government of India has to accept and also other players has to come forward. Then we created an ecosystem, TCS, IBM and L&T. All three people made it a reality. I really appreciate these three players who joined together, and Government of India and Government of Andhra Pradesh are fully supporting them. Friends, you are all aware. So many aspirations and ambitions our people have expressed today. I am remembering my olden days, that is late 90s. At that time, Bill Gates innovated internet. Because of that innovation, world has become a global village. That was the beginning. I am following, as Mr. Lokesh has rightly mentioned, I started working for IT when I was 7th class. But I applied information technology in 1983-84, just he was born at that time. So, very inspiringly, I had some vision. Information technology will bring transparency, speediness, accountability, and whatnot, everything. That was the beginning. In India, nobody had a clue how to move forward. First time, I had a meeting with, today quantum computing, at least so many people have come. At that time, only few takers and some. They came, not one meeting, 2-3 meetings, we had a brainstorming. Finally, we thought we have to attempt it. We build one good iconic tower. That is where I called L&T. Even at that time, L&T was a premier organization in construction. I asked them to build high-tech city under PPP model. That was the beginning in India to promote information technology. But by that time, Bangalore and Gurgaon, they are having operations in a big way because of natural growth. Then I promoted ecosystem. Here I am using ecosystem. IT intention alone cannot serve the purpose. I went to America. First of all, I have to study what is IT, what is going to happen in future, all these things. As Chief Minister, first time, went to America. All over the country, I toured all corporate giants. You name anybody, including Microsoft, everybody I met at that time in America, and studied what is the future, and also analyzed and also asked them this showing strength of India. I told only one thing at the time everywhere. Nobody can ignore India. India is very strong in information technology for future. Reason is British people, after giving independence to us, they left English to us. They have taken my Kohinoor diamond also at that time, but they left English to us. Second, Indians are very strong in mathematics. Zero invented by Indian. So that is our strength. This is where I used to promote. Then after 15 days I came back. I started number of engineering colleges. And also I promoted IT education and asking people to educate their children in IT. All these things, starting with iTech City, working with the IT promotion in all walks of life. Today I can say very proudly, Hyderabad has become a hub for IT and also all related, not only IT, all futuristic technologies, highest per capita income in India, contributing Hyderabad 75% income for the state. I can announce proudly, all over the world, every 4 or 3, one is Indian in IT sector. Among Indians, 35% are Telugu community all over the world, including India.